It's an almost overcast day. I think it's supposed to rain later on, but not at the moment. No, no rain predicted for the next hour or so. I'm actually hoping to get Heidi out. Right now he's under the lamps warming up. That's what I do every morning is I slowly wake him up because he goes to sleep and he's quite soundly asleep. So when I get up to do my stretches, I pull back the blanket so that a little bit of light shines in, and then slowly wake him up. Then I take the blanket off completely. Then half an hour later or so, I put him under the lamps. Hey, chipmunk. And then in the summer, I put him out when it's warm enough outside. And once he's warmed up enough, I put out some food, and then he starts eating. There's the big hill. But we're going back. We just came down the street and we're going back. The parallels. Because I feel like a straight walk. I had a look at the house with the parrot cage. Still no parrot. Still the cage. I'll still keep trying.